When a P0107 code pops up, your engine starts acting like it's lost its sense of direction, and that can get worse fast. Watch till the end because I'll show you the real cause and the simple fix that saves you from replacing parts you don't need. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today we're talking about the P0107 engine code, and if your car suddenly feels weak or runs rough, this code could be the reason. Don't worry though, I'll explain what it means, the symptoms you'll notice, and the simple way to fix it. First, what exactly is the P0107 code? P0107 is a general code that means the map sensor circuit is sending a voltage signal that's too low to the engine control unit. Symptoms you might notice: hesitate when you press the gas. Because the engine isn't getting the right air pressure reading, it struggles to respond smoothly. Idle rough like the engine is struggling. This happens because the wrong air pressure signal throws off the fuel mix and the engine can't stay steady. Stall at stoplights. The engine loses the proper air-fuel balance, so it can't stay running when you come to a stop. Lose power during acceleration. The engine isn't getting accurate pressure data, so it can't deliver the power you need when you step on the gas. Burn more fuel than normal. The incorrect pressure reading makes the engine dump in extra fuel to compensate, which wastes gas. Now, the important part: what actually causes it. A dirty map sensor, a broken or cracked vacuum hose, loose wiring or a damaged connector, a clogged air filter messing up airflow, low battery voltage. So here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A: the map sensor. The map sensor is usually mounted on the intake manifold, sometimes right beside the throttle body. Carefully remove it and check for any cracks, broken pins, or other signs of damage. If something looks off, replacing the sensor is the best move. When you install the new one, make sure the O-ring is clean, in place, and not torn, so you don't end up with an air leak afterward. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix the P0107 error code. After everything, grab your OBD to scanner and clear the code. Take the car for a short drive. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.